This 2025 Winnebago Solis 59PX is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep's 4, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, LP detector, external shower, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, water heater, skylight, stovetop burner, refrigerator, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Winnebago Solis 59PX is built on a ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.